Good morning to Mr. Tan and my fellow friends. My name is Burhani Zambiniruan. My ID number is 045 and my friend.
My name is Khairil Shambin Abdullah. My number matrix 2033.
And we are going to present about oscilloscope and function generator. Next, oscilloscope guide. First, power up the oscilloscope by pushing the power button and then pushing the front panel default setup button to set the oscilloscope to no starting point. Next, connect a passive probe to the channel input to connect a probe that use a BNC connector. Push and turn the probe connection until it slides on the oscilloscope channel input connector. Then turn the probe locking ring clockwise to lock the probe connector in place. Next, attach the probe ligator style ground lead the ground connector next to the oscilloscope display. Next, attach the probe tip to the probe connection just above the ground lead connector.
Okay, this is oscilloscope parts. Okay, next I will explain how to calibrate an oscilloscope. Step 1, examine the control. Step 2, turn on the scope. Step 3, set the volt or division control. Step 4, set the time to 1 millisecond. Step 5, set the trigger switch to auto. Step 6, connect a probe to the input connector. Step 7, touch the end of the probe to the scopes. Step 8, do the necessary adjustment.
And next, why is important to properly calibrate oscilloscope before its usage? An oscilloscope calibration is critically crucial. This is due to the fact that oscilloscope calibration aids in job integrity. Oscilloscope must be able to read data reliably. When an oscilloscope is out to tolerance, the chance of making a mistake are significant. Fast information cause you to waste more money on repair components and costly upkeep as well as prolonging your investigation. Calibration should be done as a regular basis.
Okay, next, function generator. Function generator is usually a piece of electronic test equipment or software used to generate different types of electrical waveform over a wide range of frequencies. Some of the most common waveforms produced by the function generator are the sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, and sawtooth shapes. This waveform can be either repetitive or single shot, which requires an internal or external trigger source.
Okay, this is level of function generator. Function button group. First, power switch. The power switch applies power to the function generator. Second, power on indicator. A light emitting diode is LED is used to indicate when power is applied to the function generator. Next, main display. The main display of the function generator provides information of the control for selecting waveform type, adjusting frequency and amplitude, controlling duty cycle, and displaying waveform previews. It may also indicate output status and offer menu navigation for additional setting and features. Next, frequency selection group consists of frequency range 3. To set the frequency required 1, 10, 100, 1K, 10K, 100K, 1 MHz. Frequency selector 5. Time X the value of the frequency range with frequency selector to get the frequency required. To get the desired frequency selector must be multiplied with frequency range.
Amplitude modulation group consists of amplitude knob. To increase the amplitude of signal, this button should be adjusted. Turn clockwise to increase the value and anti-clockwise to decrease the value. And waveform group consists of waveform selector, To choose type of waveforms, either sine wave, rectangular, or triangle.
Next, DC offset group consists of offset ADG8. DC offset control is provided to allow the DC level of the output waveform to be set desired. DT control 6 to symmetry of the output waveform. 7 waveform group consists of waveform selector 4 to choose type of waveform, either sine wave, rectangular wave, or triangle wave.
Okay, lastly, I will explain type of waveform. First, sine wave, a smooth, periodic waveform representing harmonic motion. Square wave, digital waveform alternating between two levels with sharp transition. Triangle wave, waveform ramping linearly between two levels in a triangular shape. Sawtooth wave, waveform ramping linearly with a rapid reset to the starting level. Pulse wave, series of rectangular pulse with specific weight and repetition rate. Gaussian wave, smooth bell shape waveform following a Gaussian distribution.